What I'm going to do is show you how to add page numbers and change where those page numbers are in a Word document very quickly. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a Word document opened up here. You may have noticed from our previous videos I showed you how to add a tables of contents, but also how to add citations and bibliographies. So with this specific video, what I'm going to do is show you how to add page numbers. So the first thing you need to do, open up the document. Here's my multi-page document here, and what you do simply is at the top go to insert there, scroll across till you find page numbers there. So this option, header and footer, you can see header, you can add a header, you can add a footer, but the main thing here for this video, you can add page numbers. You can either add your page numbers at the start when this drop down appears, and you can choose whereabouts on your page that page number appears from all these different examples and styles. Here you can add more styles from office.com, and you can save your selection here to be at the top there as well. So check that out. You can add your page numbers to go at the bottom of the page, whether it's on the left side, center or right align, but also add an accent bar here at the bottom of your page there. And you've got different styles you can choose from here. If you do check those out, you can add page margins here, so please do check those out here. And you can also choose a current position there as well. You can also format your page numbers and then remove those page numbers totally from your Word document. So let's, for example, say I add page numbers, but for this Word document I'm going to add it to the bottom. I quite like this accent bar too, so I'm going to add it there, and you can see already it's added the page number in the footer on the bottom right hand corner, which matches the table of contents I added earlier on there. So you can see my pages have been added, and if I wasn't happy with that, I could close the header and footer, go back to insert there, go back to page numbers, remove my page numbers to remove them totally, or if I wanted to re-add those page numbers back in, go back to page numbers, and maybe I would change my style of the page number, how I wanted it to look. I may want that style there, add that, and you can see that style has been added. But to double click it, you can see it's been added in the footer there. So that's page number 2, page number 3, so on and so forth. So that's just a quick and easy way to show you how to insert page numbers within Microsoft Word. Please do like, subscribe and share.